Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix the application error code is this on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, it is very easy to fix. So first you need to type cmd. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now type this command line sfc /scannow. Now press enter. Wait some few minutes, this processor will be completed. If this processor will be completed, so type second command. I will give you in description box, so just copy and paste it. So this process will be complete, so close it and restart your computer or PC. So hopefully guys, after restart your all problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.